Hi there, I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White Kingsland. Now, when someone says to you 1970s concrete block unit, no doubt in your mind you're seeing pictures of your nana's house with the brown stained wood, the lovely floral carpet, and the privacy glass that seemingly everybody had with the stars on it. Well, let me introduce you to 3/105 St Luke's Road, Sandringham, and you can take a trip down memory lane. This unit is an absolute darling. It's been in the same family for nearly its entire existence, and it's now time for someone else to take on the mantle. The two good-sized double bedrooms with wardrobes, a family bathroom and separate toilet, an open-plan living and kitchen cover all your bases, and with car parking for two, it's certainly going to appeal. Such a great option as it works for so many types of buyers, from downsizers looking for single-level living to investors needing the low-maintenance option. First homers, it's here for you too if you want to find somewhere to live and add value. This little bundle of potential is going to be super popular, so make sure you get here on the weekend for the open homes. We look forward to seeing you here.